2009 F150. That's 4x4, 5.4. Doing the slip yoke greasing on the, the drive shaft. So jacking the car up off the ground, and I'll continue from there. All right, got these 4 bolts loose. One of the bolts here, that one right there, is marked. Just mark 1, so you know where it goes back to. Like mark the flange and then that piece, solid piece. All right, so you gotta take the 4 bolts off, and you gotta hammer it right. You can't see anything, can you? You need to hammer it right here, and it should come out. So I'll do that in a bit. I'll show you guys. Okay, time to hit it off. That's not working.
So it just falls off?
Yeah, give me the steel hammer.
Did you mark it?
Yeah.
Sharpie?
Nah, with white out. It's coming.
Alright, there we go.
He's gonna pour it. He's gonna pour it. He's gonna pour it.
He's looking.
He's gonna pour it. Nah, not today. Like,
Alright, time to pull it out.
Alright.
I'll pull it straight back forward. Straight back. There we go.
Here.
Alright. There is no grease. Really? Yeah, look at that. There's no grease.
This thing's hot, dude.
It's a little slimy, but it's
Don't
nothing.
work on the mug.
You clean it with some brake
What?
clean first. Huh?
The jack?
Alright, so
go to like sports getting good.
let's see this.
Sports.
Alright, so I want to clean that up a bit. I need to change my transfer case fluid as well. Yep, so that's what.
I love the smell of that.
Can you put it facing down? Or it should move down. So, no, make it go down.
That's it.
So all the fluid could go. Alright, that's good. Let me clean the actual part. Oh, shoot. Alright, so this is the grease for the drive shaft. There's the part number. Alright, take my gloves off. Alright, so now I'm gonna put it back in. So, yep, let's see. Alright, slide it in. It should go in smoothly. There we go. That's it. I think those more, no?
Nope.
Alright. It's because I put grease on the outside too. Okay. So now that white paint needs to match up with the flange. There we go, like that. Put your bolts back on. I think it's a 78 foot-pounds of torque.
Yeah.
This thing is different.
All right, so you put all 4 bolts back on, and that's really it. All right, so we're done. So it was a 2009 F150 5.4 4x4. To mark the bolt or the whiteout. So yep, that's it. 4x4 for 2009. One-piece drive shaft. I'm gonna take it for a spin and see how it drives. Taking it, I already actually drove it around. It is so much smoother. I am on a E15 racing tune, so transmission's a little shifts harder. That's normal, but the thudding, the pushing feeling that you get, that's gone. Like when you're coming to a stop. Oh, it is so much smoother. Oh shit, I can't see. So yeah, I'm gonna stop right here. See if it does it. No kick at all. Used to kick you forward. Okay, I'm gonna slow down again, like normal stop. Let's see. Nothing. Butter smooth. Yeah, so that's how you fix it. It worked. I'm glad, because that was a really annoying at THUD. It felt like you're at an extra gear, like it just downshifts and like it just pushes you. Yes, it's really gone.